This will be the last video of this particular Langtang trek series. If you don't watch the earlier two video 1 from Kathmandu to Langtang Valley, and then the second video was from Langtang Valley till Kianjin Gumpha and Kianjin Ri and Langtang lirung glacier trek. Please watch that out. This one will particularly be for getting down from Kianjin Ri till Sabrubesi. Okay, now this side. Yeah. Coming down from Kianjin Ri. This is the glacial lake. Head down, that is Kianjin Gumpha. All the peaks. The snowbed river. All snow capped. Rain is coming. Chain of people. Oh, you were not in the camera. Now you are on the camera. Thank you. I was actually taking that village. So we are leaving Kianjin Gumpha. Now it's 11:50. We are leaving towards Ghoda Tabela. And this is our hotel where we stayed for last 2 days. Our initial plan was to go to Sargori, but due to snow conditions we had to stay in Kianjin Gumpha for 2 days, and we spent the time with lot of good foods cooked by us. Please watch out. Kianjin Gumpha te pizza order দেওয়া হয়েছে, tomato pizza. This is tuna fish.
This is the tuna fish sandwich.
Tuna fish sandwich preparation. We were very fortunate to go to Langtang lirung glacial lake on the day of arrival, because on that day evening onwards there were lot of snow for continuous 2 days. এটা কি হট চকলেট? হট চকলেট with snow. We are at Kianjin Gumpha. Now time is around 6 in the evening. Started snowing from last 15 minutes. You can see the weather. And this is our room. After continuous 2 hours of snow, this is the view. Very good morning all of you. So our host Galbu Lama, he is showing us how to cook coffee with a very small gas on the 6000 meter plus height, or even on any of the climbing. So he is a climber and a very good person, very good host.
Now empty. After it's all boiled, it come top up.
Okay, it will automatically come up, right? Okay. And this is how you make coffee in the 6000 range, right?
Yeah.
So he is our host and a very good guide. He is certified guide and certified cook. Now we are sharing.
Okay, brother. Okay, brother.
Thanks.
Okay.
দেখ চেষ্টা কেমন?
How was coffee? Good.
থ্যাংক ইউ। কাঞ্চা 4000 মিটার হাইটে এসে কিয়ানজিন গুম্পাতে রান্না করছে কলকাতা কুক। ইয়েস, থ্যাংক ইউ। এটাকে ফ্রাই করতে হবে না? দেখে তো মনে হচ্ছে একদম ইয়াম্মি হবে। হবে কেমন হয়েছে তরকারি?
দারুন দারুন, হ্যাটস অফ টু কাঞ্চা।
ভাই
Darun.
জো কাঞ্চা, ইয়ো কাঞ্চা।
It's Kancha special. It will be added in menu.
হ্যাঁ,
ওই তো আছেই একটা, কি বললো, কি জীবন যমুনা নাকি?
এটা তো না, এটা কাঞ্চা স্পেশাল হবে।
হ্যাঁ না, দারুণ হয়েছে কাঞ্চা।
ওই দেখতে পাচ্ছেন অন্ধকার লাগে।
দেখা দরকার নেই, এটা চলছে।
সবাই নতুন নতুন রান্না করছে।
সবাই এখানে এসে আমরা রান্না করছি।
Okay.
Yes, yes.
This much okay?
হ্যাঁ, ওকে।
मसाला है मसाला
মশলা
Do you have masala? No, no, not now.
নিজের বাড়িতে কোনোদিন তোরা এত রান্না করেছিস? যেখানে যা রান্না করছিস
বাড়িতে আমাকে লাত মেরে তাড়িয়ে দেয়। আরেকটু দেখ। ঠিক আছে?
এটা কি হচ্ছে? আলু চোখা? দেখা যাক খাওয়ার সময় কিরম টেস্ট হয়।
ওটা পুড়ে যাবে নাকি?
এই যে আমাদের তৈরি আলু সেদ্ধ। আর ছেলেপেলে বানিয়েছে, এটা কি বানিয়েছিলি? অমলেটের সাথে ভেজিটেবল
ওরাই
অমলেট
করেছে।
আর ঘি ভাত।
আমাকে একটু
টেস্ট কেমন বল?
ওকে।
হ্যাঁ, ইয়াকের ঘি কারেক্ট।
সাধারণ।
But before I use for the small shoes, the another one. This one is over 6,000. I use this one. Then like this.
দিস ইজ ওভার 6000।
Yeah. The other one is 6,000 is okay hot, but this one is over 6,000. I use this one. 6,000 model, yes. Not good for me. This is small.
ওকে।
Our size is 43. Something like
এটা তার দিদি।
In winter season, she is useful.
And this is like full waterproof and snow.
Waterproof and snow everything.
Okay.
এও তো যথেষ্ট হয়ে।
36,000. $550. This one is $1,000.
ওটা ইয়ে $1,000।
$1,000 means 1,000 into almost 100, right? Now your Nepali rate.
আজকের দিনে 80,000 ইন্ডিয়ান রুপিস।
Yeah, something like this.
This is crampon, ice axe, and helmet. Oh, that was is only for sleeping.
স্লিপিং ওয়্যার। হ্যাঁ।
এটা তো পরে ঘাটেই।
Hmm.
আর শোয়ার সময় বাইরেটা খুলবে। জুতোর মধ্যে জুতো।
শালা জুতো পরে
Very sad. One Russian girl fall down from Kianjin Ri. I think we saw her when we were at the top. And these guys are going for the rescue. Namaste. She is alive, right? Okay, that's good. That's good. All the best. These three peaks that we can see from here, from left to right, Kiyanjin 1, 2, and 3. And that glacier that is coming down from this region, this is Kiyanjin glacier. And this is Kianjin Ri top. This is Sargori. That one is awesome place. 360-degree view. I'm just moving it around. See, everywhere fully snow-capped. Nice place. Kianjin Gumpha, and now we are leaving. Langtang river, and at far this is near to Kianjin Gumpha. Near to Mundu. From Kianjin Gumpha it takes around, now it's like 1 hour and 10 minutes to come to Mundu. School at Langtang. I have almost reached Langtang. It is Langtang. 6:30. We have reached Riverside. Good morning. Now it's 6:45 a.m. and we are at Riverside. This was our yesterday's den. It's literally a den inside the forest, and we are heading towards Sabrubesi that way. This is between Riverside and Lama on a sunny day. You can see the snow peaks. We reached Bamboo. We are at Bamboo. Some of the souvenir. And this is Bamboo. Now at 12, exactly 11:59, we reached Bahiro. This is the guest house we stayed while going up. We have completed the trek successfully and back to Kathmandu. A special thanks to Binod Khetri who helped us in all documentation and permits. Cheers to all. I'm signing off from Langtang region with very beautiful memory and lot of positivity. Stay good and we'll meet you soon in some other mountain.